Aptera Motors, with their revolutionary vehicle, is gaining momentum and inching closer to production, promising to reshape our understanding of what an efficient, eco-friendly car can truly be. What makes Aptera stand out? When Aptera set out to create the most efficient solar-powered electric vehicle on the planet, they didn't take the conventional route. Instead, they embarked on a 4-stage development journey, covering the alpha, beta, gamma, and delta stages. After showcasing the prototypes for each phase, they've now revealed the final design of their production model, Delta. So, what exactly makes this solar electric vehicle stand out from the crowd? And how far has Aptera come in its journey towards sustainable transportation? Let's dive deep into the latest developments surrounding Aptera, the cutting-edge technology they've employed, and how they might be on the verge of changing the automotive world forever. The Aptera development journey. From Alpha to Delta. Aptera's journey began with their first concept models, progressing through the development stages, Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and finally, Delta. Here's a quick rundown of what each phase entailed. 1 Alpha stage. This was the initial concept phase, where Aptera experimented with the fundamental shape and design principles of the vehicle. They focused on aerodynamics, energy efficiency, and the unique body shape that makes their SEV distinct. 2nd Beta stage. The 2nd stage allowed them to refine the design, introduce better materials, and enhance performance. Here, they tweaked the suspension, powertrain, and other critical components to create a more road-ready version. 3rd Gamma stage. The 3rd phase was all about fine-tuning. The company made adjustments based on real-world testing and feedback, leading to a more polished, functional prototype. 4th Delta stage. Finally, the Delta phase represents the final production model. Aptera's digital visualization of Delta reveals a nearly complete vehicle that combines advanced technology, sustainability, and efficiency. Now, how Aptera plans to revolutionize vehicle production. Unlike many traditional automakers, Aptera is reimagining the entire production process to be as efficient as its vehicle. The company recently partnered with CPC Group for their vehicle's body and carbon, BI&C. This collaboration ensures that Aptera's body is made up of just 6 main parts, a stark contrast to the hundreds of parts in conventional vehicles. This innovative design not only simplifies assembly, but also significantly reduces waste, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Aptera's assembly line will heavily rely on automated guided vehicles, AGVs, provided by Red Viking. These AGVs are mobile manufacturing platforms that will transport the car from station to station during production. The AGVs enhance flexibility, improve efficiency, and reduce the need for complex infrastructure. They can even charge while stationary, further maximizing productivity. With this advanced manufacturing process, Aptera can build vehicles quickly, accurately, and cost-effectively. The game changer, North American Charging Standard, NACS. One of the most significant recent developments in Aptera's journey is its decision to adopt the North American Charging Standard, NACS, formerly known as the Tesla connector. This move makes Aptera the first non-Tesla EV manufacturer to embrace this charging standard, and it's a game changer for a couple of reasons. Firstly, compatibility. The NACS is smaller, lighter, and more efficient than other charging connectors, making it a more practical option for EV owners. Secondly, accessibility. Since Tesla opened its charging network to other manufacturers, NACS provides Aptera users access to one of the most widespread and reliable charging infrastructures in North America. Aptera's support for the NACS plug is backed by a strong petition that garnered over 40,000 signatures, reflecting how many EV enthusiasts are eager to see a standardized charging solution in the United States. This forward-thinking move could put Aptera ahead of its competitors and pave the way for other manufacturers to follow suit. The unique design, lightweight yet strong. Aptera isn't just an electric vehicle, it's a marvel of engineering. Most of the vehicle's structure is made from carbon fiber sheet molding compound, SMC. combined with a sheet glass molding compound. But what's so special about this? Strength and durability. Carbon fiber SMC is significantly stiffer and stronger than traditional molding compounds, allowing Aptera to create a vehicle that's both lightweight and incredibly robust. Aerodynamics. The unique teardrop design of Aptera ensures that it slices through the air with minimal resistance, contributing to its impressive efficiency. These materials, combined with Aptera's efficient production process, allow for rapid manufacturing, making it feasible for large-scale production without compromising quality. However, even with all these advancements, Aptera faces a substantial hurdle: funding. While they've made incredible progress, they are still tens of millions of dollars short of the capital needed to begin full-scale production. According to their chief marketing officer, Sarah Hardwick, the main bottleneck preventing Aptera from bringing its vehicle to market is financial. The company is actively seeking investors and government loans to close this gap and kickstart production. But why should investors care? Here's the compelling part. Aptera already has over 37,000 reservations for its SEV, with investments exceeding $537,475 from over 400 individual investors. The demand is there. Now it's a matter of securing the funding to meet it. Why? Two-seater cars could be the future. Historically, two-seater cars haven't dominated the American market. However, Aptera's vehicle isn't your typical two-seater. It offers something that other vehicles don't: unparalleled efficiency and an environmental edge. With the ability to harness solar energy, the Aptera can travel up to 40 miles per day on solar power alone, potentially eliminating the need to plug in entirely for many users. And with a starting price of around $26,000, it's positioned as an affordable and practical commuter vehicle. Imagine a car that lets you travel to work without needing gas or charging ever. For couples or single commuters, this is a game changer. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, Aptera's vision of a solar-powered, ultra-efficient vehicle couldn't be timelier. It's not just a car, it's a statement about sustainable living and responsible transportation. The lightweight design, solar integration, and energy-efficient manufacturing process make it more than just another electric vehicle. It's a peek into the future. Additionally, Aptera has learned from its past mistakes. After a failed attempt to launch in 2011, the company re-emerged in 2019, bringing with it a wealth of experience and knowledge. They've partnered with industry experts, including Monroe and Associates, to ensure that they don't repeat the mistakes of the past. This time, they're prepared to succeed. Is Aptera ready to change the world? So, is Aptera's solar-powered electric vehicle just another ambitious concept, or is it the real deal? With its innovative design, advanced manufacturing process, and growing public interest, Aptera seems well-positioned to make a significant impact in the EV market. They have the technology, the vision, and the demand. All they need now is the funding to turn their dream into a reality. If Aptera can secure the necessary resources, we could soon see a fleet of ultra-efficient, solar-powered vehicles on the road, signaling a new era in sustainable transportation. The question is no longer if the world is ready for Aptera, but rather, is Aptera ready to lead the world? If you're excited about this innovative journey, keep following Aptera's progress. And who knows, maybe soon you'll be driving one of the most efficient vehicles ever created. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay charged up.